Many industrial processes operate at temperatures above 1000 degrees C, which can be often highly corrosive, difficult to access, and prone to electromagnetic interference, essentially hot and dangerous. The University of Adelaide has developed an optical fibre sensor technology capable of measuring up to 1300 degrees Celsius in these harsh environments. The sensor is resistant to corrosion, electromagnetic fields, and many sensing points can be created on a single fibre.
IPAS has been working closely with 2 industry partners to develop and demonstrate this technology. This includes S.J. Cheeseman, who aim to better monitor temperatures within the Port Pirie smelter, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in applications of power generation. We have been seeking new opportunities for the temperature sensor. In our IPAS pilot project, we investigated the possibility of using our sensor within geological applications, that is, volcanoes. Temperatures inside volcanoes can reach in excess of 1000 degrees and are incredibly hostile environments, making direct measurement of temperature impossible. In this project, we partnered with the Unmanned Research Aircraft Facility to demonstrate that it is possible to use drones as a method of delivering our high-temperature sensor to remote locations. Ready? Arming. Taking off. We carried out field trials that successfully demonstrated using a drone to lift our temperature sensor. The temperature and sensor health was continuously recorded during the flights. A fibre was attached via a drop mechanism on the drone. This allowed the sensor to be released during flight, as will be seen shortly. In future, this will allow us to drop the temperature sensor into a volcano from a distance that is safe for the drone. Our results show that such a concept is possible, as the sensor operates reliably when connected via a long and suspended cable length and does not fail when dropped from a height of over 40 meters.